Hey everyone, so this is a training video for how to build and upload for the My Reseller Genie web application. This is kind of targeted towards people who aren't set up in My Reseller Genie Excel. If you are set up in My Reseller Genie Excel, there will be another video specifically for you. So yeah, if you are an eBay seller or a Poshmark seller, this will be helpful for you because we've got some code that will basically do the work for you, or a lot of the work for you from reports. So before you can continue in this video, look in the description. There are links for how to download the reports you're going to need. And there's also a link for the code that is going to do the work for you. So look down there and pause this video and then come back once you've got all that stuff. All right, so first things first, there's going to be a link that has some code in it. So open up that link. It's just in a Google Doc, and it'll look like this. Just go ahead and copy all of it, and then open your Gmail account. And once you get in there, go to Google Sheets. Now, Google Sheets is free. Everyone has it. You don't need a subscription or anything for it. So that's why we're doing it in this format. All right, so now that you're in Google Sheets, the first thing you need to do is click Tools and then Script Editor. And then go ahead and delete what's in there and paste in everything that you copied from this sheet. And then you can save this with any project name you want. I'll just say MRG import, click OK. Great. And I'm going to close this out. No, actually, before I'm going to close it, I'm going to save it, then close it. I'll go back to Excel, or rather Google Sheets, and go into macros. And I'm doing this a bit fast. All right, so Tools, Macros, and then Import, and go through and add all these functions. Close that out, and then hit Tools again, Macros, and then click UI Build. Now it's going to ask for authorization so that the scripts can be run, and it'll open up a screen, and you'll have to allow it. All right, now you're in business, and I'm going to really quick grab my reports. These are eBay reports I'm doing, but it'll work just the same for Poshmark. Oh. All right, so I need to get back to Excel, Google Sheets rather. All right, and then before doing anything else, you need to open up your reports. I'm going to start with my listings report from eBay. And I'm going to copy all of those and then paste them into cell A1. Okay. Now from here, I'll go back to macros, and I'm going to click UI Build real quick. And now we have a menu that says My Reseller Genie Upload Builder. So you select either eBay or Poshmark. I'm going to choose eBay because this is an eBay report. And then I'm going to click Create eBay Inventory Upload. And boom, it just did this for me. So now I'm going to download this as a CSV, comma separated values. Right. I'm going to open that up just to show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is my upload. Now what it's done here is, because eBay doesn't provide all the information that My Reseller Genie tracks, some of the values get filled in for you. So the purchase date and the purchase price are filled in. The purchase price are all put in as 0. Purchase date are all put in as 1/1. There's a note over here that tells you that, just so you're aware of it. You also won't have brand, but you'll have item title, department, category, subcategory. That's pretty good. Platforms listed. And at this point, this upload could be put into My Reseller Genie. So you could either update this information now before you upload it, or you could put it into My Reseller Genie and just plan on coming back later and editing as needed. Okay, so I'm going to close this real quick. All right, so I'm back on eBay, or not eBay, on Google Sheets, and I'm going to delete my upload sheet, and I'm going to select all of my cells from the report and delete that information. So I've got my sales report down here opened up, and just delete these 2 rows. When you first open it, they're going to be blank. So just delete the first 2 rows and then copy everything into cell A1. All right. And it's going to be pretty much the same thing as the inventory report, except instead we click eBay sales upload. Okay. So now the upload's built. Now, again, there's some notes here that tell us just some facts that are worth knowing. Your purchase date and price are just placeholders. Transaction fee doesn't include all eBay fees. It's just the ones that come in the report. And then shipping cost is recorded as the amount buyers paid for shipping to you. So you're probably going to need to do some edits on this, but this is as easy as it gets for formatting and upload. All right, so you can take this and download it as a CSV as well. And I'm actually going to go and name these. So this is my eBay sales upload. And I think I may have deleted the inventory upload, but no big deal. Okay, so now I'm going to go through Poshmark. So I delete my tab. I delete all the sales from here. And I'm going to merge the cells and then unmerge, because some of them with the eBay report got merged. It's kind of weird. All right. And now I'm going to go grab my Poshmark reports. It's these 2. So now the last report is the Poshmark Sales report. Same thing as all the other ones. You just start where the headers start and copy all of that. Delete your old information, paste that in, paste the sales information in. And then make sure you delete the upload tab that got created. Okay, so this is actually important. I'm going to rearrange the order of the reports in the video, so it might be a little bit choppy, but I want to make sure this gets told to you beforehand. So it's kind of weird, but for Google Sheets, when you copy and paste a date and the column is too small in Excel or numbers or whatever, and so you'll see it does like this thing and it just shows number signs. Excel knows that it's actually a date and it's abbreviating it, but Google Sheets doesn't recognize that. And so it actually will paste in as all these number signs, which is terrible. So I'm going to repaste my data in, having expanded the columns. Just take a couple seconds. There we go. And now you see all of my dates have been fixed. So just look at your dates and make sure that the dates are actual dates instead of number signs. Okay, so then go in, Poshmark, create Poshmark Sales upload. All right, beautiful. And then one more time, the notes section here it's important to read them because your uploads aren't entirely complete. They're just as complete as we can get them with automation. Okay, now we can download as a CSV. Go and rename it Poshmark Sales Upload. Okay, and it's kind of the same thing as, or it's very similar as with eBay. You want to take the first row that has the column headers, and this is inventory. So take that and just copy all of it right into cell A1. This might take a couple seconds if you're copying in a bunch of data. Okay, so there we go. Now I'm gonna, instead of eBay, I go to Poshmark, create Poshmark Inventory upload. All right, excellent. And my notes in here, again, just read these notes. They're going to give you important information about the upload. So purchase date is estimated using the listing date, because that's what Poshmark gives you, listing date. And the purchase price is estimated using the cost price field, which again it's an estimate. It's not really accurate. So for proper accounting records, you should update those. All right. From here, I can just go ahead and download it as a CSV. And we've got our, I want to go to file location. All right, and I'll just call this my Poshmark Inventory upload. Won't save because I opened it. Okay, great. So there's that. I'm going to close that. eBay orders report. Is that one? Okay. All right, and now you're ready to upload this information into My Reseller Genie. Of course, you can edit your uploads beforehand, or you can do it after the fact. But assuming you wanted to do it after the fact and just edit within My Reseller Genie, you go to the site, and for the inventory, you click Upload Inventory Report. Next, and then click on this where it says click to upload a file. You select it, hit open, and then upload. Now I'm not going to upload it because I don't want to add this data to my particular account, but that's what you would do. And then it's the exact same steps for sales. Just upload sales report, next, select your file, and then click upload. All right, now if you do some editing and maybe you accidentally mess up a header or something like that, we've tried to build in checks that will help you to figure out what's wrong. So I'm going to just delete a header real quick on my upload. And I'll show you what happens. So that was my Poshmark Sales upload. All right. So if it's one of the errors that we've created these warnings for, it'll tell you what's wrong. So just read the error and then go and try and fix your upload based on that. And if you can't figure it out, have any questions, just reach out to us. We're always happy to help. Our email is support@myresellergenie.com. And there's also a Facebook support group. So either one of those places is a good place to get help. All right. Well, thanks for watching this video. Thanks for giving My Reseller Genie online a try. And we're really excited to get your feedback. All right. Thanks so much and have a great day.